ሚስተር ሶል ነኝ። ዛሬ ደግሞ የግሬድ 9 ሂስትሪ ዩኒት 8 ኮስቲንስ ኦን ኩሽቲክ ስቴትስ ዌስተርን ስቴትስ ኤንድ ኢስተርን ስቴትስ የሚል ርዕስ ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። መልካም ጊዜ። ጥያቄ ቁጥር 1 The earliest states among the given monarchies which was formed on the already existing state was the earliest state among the given monarchies which was formed on the already existing state was A. Jimma, B. Gera, C. Guma, D. Limu Enaria. Our correct answer is give Oromo states that was existed on the already existed kingdom or states was Limu Inaria. D. Our correct answer is D. Limu Inaria was the earliest kingdom, and the Mecha Oromo came in that area, conquered Inaria, and established a state which is known as Limu Inaria. Question number 2. Which of the following is not among the given monarchies? Which of the following is not among the given monarchies? A. Jimma, B. Enaria, C. Goma, D. Gera. Our correct answer is Enaria. Enaria is not a Gibe Oromo state. It's an independent state before the coming of the Oromo in the Gibe region. Question number 3. The strongest of the Gibe Oromo monarchies. ከጊቤ ኦሮሞ ስቴቶች ውስጥ the strongest የትኛው ነው? A. Jimma, B. Limu Enaria, C. Gera, D. Guma. Our correct answer is A. Jimma was the strongest or the most powerful among the Gibe Oromo states. That means ከአምስቱ ጊቤ ኦሮሞ ስቴት ወይም ጊቤ ሞናርኪስ the strongest የሚባለው ጂማ ነው። Question number 4. The earliest Gibe state to embrace Islam was. The earliest Gibe state to embrace Islam was. Embrace means accept or እስልምናን በመቀበል ከአምስቱ የጊቤ ኦሮሞ ስቴት የመጀመሪያው የትኛው ነው? A. ጌራ፣ B. ጂማ፣ C. ጉማ፣ D. Goma. The correct answer is D. Goma was the earliest state to accept Islam. Question number 5. The Shinasha were known in cooperative labor work, and the organizing leader of the cooperative labor was A. Dawanasho, B. Yama, C. Tapad, D. Kwari. The correct answer is Dawanasho. እንግዲህ ሺናሻ ማህበረሰብ የሚታወቀው ነገሮችን በመተባበር በመስራት ነው። ያንን የትብብር ስራ ደግሞ ሌድ የሚያደርገው ሰው ዳዋናሾ ተብሎ ይጠራል። ጥያቄ ቁጥር 6. The famous musical instrument of the Benishangul is known as. በቤኒሻንጉል ህዝብ የሚታወቀው ታዋቂው መሳሪያ የሙዚቃ መሳሪያ ምን ይባላል? A. ታፓድ፣ B. ዙም፣ C. Zumbara, D. Nasho. The correct answer is Zumbara. Zumbara is the musical instrument of the people of Benishangul. ጥያቄ ቁጥር 7. The founder of Lake Naqamte was A. Abba Mano, B. Tullu Gunji, C. Bakri Godana, D. Jote Tulu. Our correct answer is C. Bakri Godana was the founder of Lake Naqamte. ይሄ ደግሞ ወለጋ ላይ የተመሰረተ አንድ ስቴት ነበር። Question number 8. Which one of the following person was the founder of the Harari dynasty? Which one of the following was the founder of the Harari dynasty? A. Emir Nur Mujahid, B. Emir Ali ibn Daud, C. Emir Abdullahi, D. Emir Ali Mirah. Our correct answer is Emir Ali ibn Daud was the founder of the Harari dynasty. Emir Abdullahi, he was the last Emir of Harar. የሐረር የመጨረሻው ኢሚር ናቸው። ጥያቄ ቁጥር 9 the Gumz god is known as the Gumz god is known as A. Songo, B. Yama, C. Cupid, D. Aphrodite. Our correct answer is Yama. Yama was the Gumz god. The Gumz god. Question number 10. Why was the Harari city was surrounded by a stone wall? Why was the Harari city was surrounded by a stone wall? A. For the beauty of the city. B. To resist the Oromo pressure. C. To protect the city from Egyptian attack. D. To resist the Shuan conquest. Our correct answer is Emir Nur Mujahid built the Harar wall or the Jigar wall surrounding the city of Harar to protect it from the Oromo attack. The correct answer is B. Question number 11. Which of the following is true about the Emirate of Harar? Which of the following is true about the Emirate of Harar? A. It was founded by a local Harari chief known as Emir Ali ibn Daud. B. It never regained the independence it lost to Egypt. C. It maintained strong diplomatic relations with the Europeans. D. It had extended its authority over the surrounding Oromo and the Somali areas. Our correct answer is A. It was founded by a local Harari chief known as Emir Ali ibn Daud. Question number 12. The Somali indigenous governance system is known as A. Luwa, B. Mowa, C. Gurti, D. Dagu. Our correct answer is C. Gurti. Gurti, it was an indigenous governance system of the Somali. Dagu, it is the Afar's mechanism to exchange information. Mowa, it is related with Yem. Luwa, it is related with Sidam. So the correct answer is C. Question number 13. 1-3. The indigenous administration system among the Sabat Bet Gurage. The indigenous administrative system among the Sabat Bet Gurage is known as A. የስልጤ ሴራ፣ B. የጆቃ ሴራ፣ C. የጎርዳና ሴራ፣ D. ሙሌ ገራድ። Our correct answer is የጆቃ ሴራ. It was the indigenous administration system among the ሰባት ቤት ጉራጌ. 14ኛ ጥያቄ. The man that led the Gurage in their journey from Gura, Eritrea to the present day settlement area was known as እንግዲህ ጉራጌዎችን ድሮ ይኖርበት ከነበረው ጉራ ከሚባለው ኤርትራ ውስጥ ከነበረ ቦታ አሁን ወደሚኖርበት ቦታ ሊድ ያደረጋቸው ፐርሰን ማን ይባላል? ኤ. አዝማች አርማህ ንጉስ አርማህ። ኤ. ንጉስ አርማህ፣ ቢ. አዝማች ስብሃት፣ ሲ. አዝማች አምሃ፣ ዲ. አዝማች ዘረሰናይ። The correct answer is Azmach Sabahat was the leader that led the Gurage from Eritrea Gura to their present area settlement. Question number 15. Which one of the following is not a member of the Enset culture complex? Enset staple food ያልሆነው የትኛው ነው? A. The Konso, B. The Silte, C. Yem, D. Gedio. The correct answer is A. The Konso people do not, for the Konso people, Enset or forced banana is not a staple food. But for the rest of Silte, Yem and Gedio, it is a staple food. Actually, for the Omotic people, Enset is a staple food. For the Silte and the Gurage also as well, it is a staple food. Question number 16. All of the following states were known in building fortification except one. All of the following states were known in building fortification except one. A. Dauro, B. Kafa, C. Okay, Ziga. Yeah. ኤ ዳውሮ፣ ቢ ከፋ፣ ሲ ወላይታ፣ ዲ አፋር። አወር ኮሬክት አንሰር ኢዝ አፋር። እንግዲህ ከነዚህ ውስጥ አሁን ከተዘረዘሩት ውስጥ ምሽግ ወይም ፎርቲፊኬሽን በመገንባት የማይታወቀው የትኛው ነው የሚለን the correct answer is D. the Afar are not known in building fortification. ለዛሬ የነበረን ጥያቄዎች እነዚህን ይመስሉ ነበረ። እስካሁን አብራችሁኝ ስለቆያችሁ አመሰግናለሁ። ባይ ባይ።